I could tell my friends, but they think I've lost it anyway, that this is just a passing phase, and the running will wither down to the pace I'm supposed to go, in the lines I'm supposed to know. I haven't yet figured out. They all look at me, they let me go, and they watch me moving. This time I'll try to be more beautiful and more amusing. But why can't you just be cool? Why do you have to lose it? Losing it, you're losing me. Refuse to use, I choose to run. Catch me. If you want, you can increase your momentum. Catch me. There is more I want to mention. I could tell my friends, but I think I'll find another way to catch myself another day in the roadblocks that I found. So I have to gather up my mind, bits and pieces hard to find.